Things to avoid in New York City, New York, USA. Things to avoid in New York City, New York, USA. While New York City is an exciting and vibrant place to visit, there are a few things you might want to avoid or be cautious about to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Avoid Times Square scams. Be cautious of costumed characters or individuals trying to sell tickets to shows. Some may aggressively demand tips, and it's better to keep a safe distance. Empty subway cars. If you're taking the subway, it's generally a good idea to avoid empty subway cars, especially late at night. Stick to cars with other passengers for safety. Unlicensed street vendors. While there are many legitimate street vendors, be cautious of unlicensed ones. It's better to buy from established, licensed vendors to avoid potential issues. Ignoring traffic signals. New York City is busy, and traffic can be chaotic. Always obey traffic signals and be cautious when crossing streets. Drivers may not always follow the rules, so it's crucial to prioritize your safety. Overlooking personal belongings. Pickpocketing can happen in crowded places, so keep an eye on your belongings. Be especially cautious in crowded areas, public transportation, and tourist hotspots. Walking slowly in busy areas. New Yorkers tend to move quickly, and sidewalks can get crowded. Avoid suddenly stopping in the middle of a busy sidewalk, and try to keep a steady pace to flow with the crowd. Ignoring local customs. New York City is diverse, and people come from various cultural backgrounds. Be respectful of different customs and try to familiarize yourself with basic etiquette. Central Park at night. While Central Park is generally safe during the day, it's advisable to avoid it at night. Especially if you're alone, stick to well-lit areas and popular pathways. Ignoring weather precautions. Be prepared for the weather, whether it's extreme heat, cold, or precipitation. Check the weather forecast and dress accordingly to ensure your comfort and well-being. Overlooking emergency exits. In crowded places like theaters or subways, take note of emergency exits. In case of an emergency, knowing how to exit quickly and safely is essential. Remember, while these are precautions, New York City is generally safe for tourists. Staying aware of your surroundings and following common-sense safety practices will help ensure a positive experience in the city. Kindly share your desired destinations and the specific information you're seeking. We are committed to producing videos and vlogs that cater to your interests. Explore our websites, New Beginning and My New Beginning, representing the digital enterprises that have afforded us the financial freedom to pursue our travel aspirations. Our resources, specifically crafted for the growth of solo entrepreneurial ventures, can help you achieve similar success if you're aiming to develop your solopreneurship. Visit Supats for a collection of travel vlogs and blogs centered around mindset and spirituality. Inform us of your preferences, and we'll make dedicated efforts to create the resources you're looking for. Thank you, and may you be blessed abundantly.